How to contact AvaTrade support. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to contact AvaTrade support for help with trading, account issues, or login problems, don't worry. Here is how you can do it. First, open the AvaTrade application on your device. Once you are inside the homepage after logging into AvaTrade, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu button. Now, on the next page, click on Contact Us. Under Contact Us, you'll see several different methods. You can contact AvaTrade support with live chat option, email support, WhatsApp, or phone support. Select any one method. If you choose the chat with us option, you can go ahead and speak with a customer support agent or AI assistant first. This is the quickest way to get help. Go ahead and mention any problem that you have, or you can also select from the categories you need help with, and you'll be provided with necessary help. Another way to contact AvaTrade support is by phone number option. Tap the phone number that is available right under the chat with us option, and you can call onto this number depending upon your country. AvaTrade has international phone numbers. Go ahead and make a call on it. Then you'll be able to speak to the customer support and mention your problem with suitable help they can provide. Another way is to simply go ahead and use the email support. Right under the phone option, you'll see the email address for AvaTrade. Click on it, and then you can go ahead and send in the email. Write down a suitable subject in the subject tab, and then write down your message on the next field. You can go ahead and mention your name, email, problem description, and then click the send button in order to send in the email. So the last way to contact the support is by using the WhatsApp option. AvaTrade also provide WhatsApp contact in some regions. You'll find the number on the official contact page. Tap the WhatsApp option and this will open up the WhatsApp application, and you'll be starting the chat with AvaTrade customer support. Simply go ahead and write down your issue in the text box at the bottom and click send. So right there you can easily contact to AvaTrade support via chat, email, phone, or WhatsApp. Just pick one of the easiest way and you'll get help quickly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.